the end of the weekend.
Loves, how are you guys doing today? It is 6:30 a.m. on, I want to say this is December 21st. So we only have 4 more days till Christmas. And I have been doing good as far as, got all this hair in my face. I've been doing good as far as vlogging for the last almost 2 months. So if that's any indication of how 2022 is going to go, then I'm going to be pleasantly surprised. I haven't gained that many extra subbies, but you know, I have gained some, but not like I would like to. But I know this thing is going to turn around. But that's not what I am up here this morning talking to y'all about. What I'm up here this morning talking about is you know I said I was not going to make weight loss a New Year's resolution, which I'm not. But, you know, at the end of the year, we start evaluating a lot of things. For instance, you already know I want to curtail the amount of spending that I do. I also want to, I do want to just be healthy, not necessarily lose a weight. I hope that's a byproduct of me changing my eating habits, but I refuse to put that on my list. That's something that I need to do every bit of the whole year, every single year for the rest of my duration on this planet, because having been diagnosed with cancer, it's very important that I get my eating habits under wraps. I should not be eating and drinking the way that I eat and drink, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get that all changed up this coming year. I will be doing the Daniel fast, and I will be documenting that as much as possible. I will be putting my starting weight, just because you just want to see if that change in your eating is working and beneficial to your body, right? So that is the main reason, not so much to show you I've lost weight on this thing, even though normally when you start eating things strictly from the earth, you do naturally shed unwanted weight and pounds, and all that excess toxins and all of that comes out of your body. And then I was looking at myself and I'm like, okay, 52-year-old self. It's like, what we finna do with this body, girl? So this is what I look like. I got all this saddlebags right here, right? Let's zoom in on that. So you got all this, and you know, the thing about it is, I always tell myself, oh, you don't look that bad, but I could look better, right? And, honey, I look better from the front than the back. And in that back, honey, that back side, I got a heart-shaped booty. It's heart-shaped. Well, I got a long back, and then it curves at the bottom. And the thing about it is, I never knew what I looked like from the back until I started recording myself from different angles and things like that, right? So now I'm very familiar with what I look like from the back. So definitely want to do like some squats and more exercises, get back into hiking, because when I'm hiking, all of that stuff just rounds up, right? It rounds up for me. And so yeah, I want to go ahead and focus on that. Focus on getting my health and everything together, my finances, my mental, which I started already. I need to get all of that on lock, honey. 2022 has to be a better year. And I'm not saying that 2021 was horrible, besides my little diagnosis that I got. But I can't even say that. You know, I still made some strides and all of that. So I got to look at things, you know, in a positive manner and positive light. And I'm still learning how to hold this thing steady when I'm talking to y'all. But yeah, so this upcoming year, I'm just looking forward to a lot of positive changes. I feel I gotta focus on me. I'm not gonna worry too much about being in a relationship. And hell, I ain't had one this long, so it is what it is. So I gotta learn how to really, really be happy with me, because that might just be what it ended up being, right? So at this point, all I'm gonna do is continue moving forward. Now, I did get some good news as far as my health is concerned. I don't have to, I no longer have to have chemo. Well, I never knew if I had to have chemo or not, but I definitely don't have to have chemo, is what I have been told. So I'm happy about that. So, but I will be having radiation treatment probably at the beginning of the year, and then I'll be on hormone blockers. That's another reason why I need to get what I eat under control, because the side effect of that is weight gain, right? All the medicine, especially at my age, my metabolism is already slow. So I'm definitely afraid of the weight gain that's going to happen. But, you know, life moves forward and we must move forward. And that's pretty much it, you know. I don't know. I just woke up this morning contemplating about what I want to do over the next 12 months, what I must do. And I hope you guys will help me stay on track, especially about being consistent in these YouTube streets, right? That's something I haven't been able to do. And I was going back to my videos. I've been on YouTube for 12 years. And I always have a moment of consistency and then I stop. So I could have already been where I needed to be had I been consistent. So that's very important to me. I'm giving this thing a solid year, not 2 or 3 months, a solid year of posting a minimum of twice a week. Anyway, so I got to get up. I got to work. It's almost 7 o'clock here, 6:52. So I lied about time it is. I started talking to y'all because I only been talking for about 7 minutes. So anyway, but I got to go make mom her coffee and get her breakfast going so that I can focus on work. I will see y'all in a minute. You got to dig your way back there. It's so much stuff. You strong enough, lift it up. I would like slide it on the couch and then come back over this way. Y'all got the Christmas tree so loaded.
Be careful, Kai.
That's crazy, right? Ain't that crazy how I just wrote it, but you about to write it?
Yeah.
Ain't it Travis's?
Ooh, be careful. What's going on? Travis.
Oh, you getting up on it. Oh, it got a little speed.
Don't go too fast, boy. I ain't trying to go to the doctor till next month.
Chad.
You gonna be at school at 2.2.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it got the speed. It got the speed, huh?
Yep, it's going like 22 in a couple of seconds.
She told me something, and I was like, no, honestly, I was like, you see the way the whole car, money, everything went. Like, yeah,
So, Alyssa, I thought you had said you was gonna make the tamales
No,
man.
I had said
I thought
maybe,
you had said.
maybe. I said maybe. I never said I was.
You made one so hard. It's literally 2-0.
Grandkids and great nieces and nephews. Everybody say hi. You say hi for the camera.
Hi. Can't be the greatest mom ever.
What you get, Mom? Oh, that's so cute. That is so cute. With everybody's pictures on there.
There's me right there, and there's you, Sweetie.
There go the waterworks. That is so nice, Dad. That's so nice.
get confused. What's about 2020? Baby, you run everything. You want everyone. You can do it real. You can do everything. You be on everything. I don't want to take that on me. Every time you look, when now you heard her promise, tell me come to the hood. She make me pay for
Yes, it is. Auntie. Exactly. Not on me.
It's gonna fall on one.
Not on me.
What we playing? We're playing for shots.
Shut up.
This nigga is damn
We
shot.
just playing, damn.
He always
We can't pay for nothing now. We can't pay for nothing.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna.